Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically tag VIP customers in Mailchimp. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to segment your most valuable subscribers and send them exclusive content, special offers, or personalized communications without having to manually sort through your entire contact list. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com, then press enter to load the page. Once the Mailchimp homepage appears, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the login button. Click on it and sign in using your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you're using the account that manages the audience you want to work with, as this is where you'll be creating the automation. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Automation. This section is where all your automated workflows live, and it's the heart of setting up processes that run on their own. Once you're in the automation area, look to the top right corner of your screen and select Build from Scratch. This option gives you complete control over creating a custom workflow tailored specifically to your VIP tagging needs. You'll now be directed to the workflow creation page. Here, you need to enter a name for your workflow. Choose something descriptive like VIP Customer Auto Tag so you can easily identify it later. Once you've typed in the name, click on Choose a Trigger. The trigger is what initiates the entire automation, so selecting the right one is crucial. Now you'll need to select a trigger that identifies a contact or audience member as a VIP. This could be based on special sign-up links, specific forms, or even clicks on particular email links. For this tutorial, let's assume your VIP contacts are signing up through a private link that's only shared with exclusive customers. From the trigger options, select Signs Up for Email, then click Save Trigger. This ensures that anyone who signs up through that designated form or link will automatically enter this workflow. With your trigger in place, it's time to add the automatic tag that will recognize this contact as a VIP. This tag becomes a powerful identifier you can use for future segmentation and targeting. Click on Add a Step, and a drop-down window will appear with various action options. From this menu, select Tag/Untag. This action allows you to apply or remove tags based on the workflow conditions you've set. Now you'll customize the action of this step by adding the tag itself. In the tag field, you can either select an existing tag from your list or create a new one. Simply type in VIP, and you'll see an option that says Create a New Tag underneath. Click on that to establish the VIP tag if it doesn't already exist in your system. Next, look for the Action dropdown and select Add. This tells Mailchimp to add the VIP tag to any contact who enters this workflow. Once you've made that selection, click Save at the bottom part of your screen. This locks in your tagging action and ensures it will execute automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. From here, click on Continue to finalize and implement your workflow. Mailchimp will now automatically tag any customer who signs up through your designated VIP link, making it effortless to identify and communicate with your most valued subscribers. You've just created a smart automation that saves you time and keeps your VIP customers properly segmented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.